Welcome to learning how to combine Thai words with Thai Kids Academy. Today we will take a look at these three words. The first one is little sister or little brother. In Thai, you can say Nong. And the next one is dog. In Thai, you can say Ma. And the last one is cat. In Thai, you can say Meow. Meow. But if we combine it together, we will got Nong Ma. So Nong Ma, which means dog, or Nong Meow, which means cat. But if you add the word Nong, it will make this word cuter than usual. For example, this dog is so cute. น้องหมาน่ารักมาก This cat is so cute. น้องแมวน่ารักมาก Thank you so much for watching. If you are interested in our course, please contact our school. Bye bye.